Hello guys, welcome to TechJect Studio and also welcome to a new video which will help you build your programming logics. So today I have got a program which will show how we can convert the given decimal number into its equivalent binary number. So guys, let's get going. Okay, so guys, we will as usual implement this program in all the three languages, that is C, C++ and Java. So let's first begin with the C implementation. Okay, have a new terminal. Gedit, suppose decimal to binary. Let's see. Okay, so first we have to include our standard libraries. stdio touch include lib.h and okay, yeah, I'll start with the main. I will declare the required variables. So first I will need a array. So I will declare it as, suppose, okay, binary. Okay, and size I will take it as 50. So this is to store the binary numbers, and I will need a variable to store the decimal number. It will be number, a counter variable, so counter, and a iteration variable. Okay, I. Okay, so these are my required variables that I have declared. Now I need to print a prompt message. So printf, enter a decimal number. Okay, and we need to scan it from the user. So %d, and I will store it in variable number. Okay, so until here we have declared our required variables and we have scanned our input from the user. Now what I will do is I will first initialize my counter variable to 0, and now I will make use of while condition. It is while number is greater than 0, that is the input. If input is greater than 0, we will enter this while loop where I will perform. So if so it will be binary of counter, okay, is equal to number mod 2. So we are performing a mod operation on the number that is given by the user, and then we are again dividing the number. Number is equal to number divide by 2. Okay, and then we increment our counter. So what happens here is, so this counter variable will keep incrementing the count inside the array, and the number will be the mod operation will give the quotient of the division that is performed, or the mod operation that is performed. Then the remaining number that we get in the quotient will be divided by 2, and hence we will get the next remainder, which will be taken as a next binary number. So I have to actually increment it here, counter, and I have to close it here, and we have to just print the binary value. So print the binary value is, okay. So for I equal to I equal to actually counter minus 1, because we have initialized counter to 0, and I is greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus. Okay, and then I have to give printf and %d, and I have to print binary arrays elements. So binary of I. Yeah, then 0. Okay, so this is our program. Let me save it, execute it. So cc d2b.c. Okay, as you can see, we have no errors and dot slash out. It is asking me for numbers, so I will supposedly give 10 and it should give me output 1010. Okay, so as you can see, it gives me output 1010, which is a binary equivalent of number 10. So let me just try for other number, supposedly 15. Okay, so 4 ones here. This is a binary equivalent of number 15. Okay, so this is how you can do a decimal to binary conversion in C. Okay, so now let's move on to C++. Okay, so I will just save this file with d2b.cpp, and I'll begin as usual by having our header files iostream. Okay, I'll also include a header file called C math. Okay, and using namespace std. Okay, then I will write a function long. Okay, we don't have double, so we'll use long. Suppose what I will give it as a decimal. Okay, to sorry, binary of type int. So I have declared my function here. I will define it. I will define it after writing the main. So we'll go with the main first. Okay, so main, and this I will require some variables, that is int number, and I will also have a bin num. Okay, these are the required variables. So I have to again give out the prompt message. So enter a decimal number, which I have to scan using scene. So number. Okay, then actually I will have, okay, so I have declared the bin num, where I will call the function my decimal to binary function. So decimal to binary of number. Okay, and I will print this here. So number, okay, sorry, in decimal to, and have this in bin num. Okay, in binary. Okay, and it returns 0. Now we'll define our decimal to binary function here. So long decimal to binary and int number of variable, that is in suppose bin num. Okay, sorry, and I will initialize it to 0. Then I will have variables remainder, and I will also have iteration variable which will initialize to 1 here, and a step counter. So step I will initialize to 1. Okay, then while number is not equal to 0, we will enter this loop where remainder will have the number mod 2 operations value, that is the quotient that we will obtain after performing this mod operation on the number, and we'll print this. So step plus plus post increment, sorry, should be step. Okay, then equal to number. Okay, so by 2 comma remainder equal to it should be ram. Okay, so this is what my variable is. Yeah, slash quotient, quotient equal to number by 2. Okay, then and it is number equal to number by 2. Okay, I will just make use of a shorthand operator here, by 2. Okay, so these type of operations are called shorthand operations, where I have used a division operator here. So this will this is equivalent to writing number is equal to number divided by 2. Okay, so then I have my variable bin num, in which I will add the remainder, multiply it with I. Okay, so yeah, I is initialized to 1 first, then I will multiply that with 10. Okay, so I have this increment here. Okay, and I will return the bin num, sorry, yeah, close it here. Okay, so this is our conversion. This is our function to convert a binary, decimal to binary. These are our required variables. This is our loop. First, we are performing a mod operation with the help of a step counter. We are trying to display what we are doing. Then we are dividing the remaining quotient that we have got, and we multiply that with the I for the first iteration, and then we go on multiplying with 110, that is 10 in decimal, uh, and lastly we return it. Okay, so in main I have just in binum I have stored this the output, and I'm trying to print it here. So let's just save this and check whether our program is running fine. Okay, it should be G++, and I have stored it as d2b.cpp. So we have some error, double, okay, sorry, have given, okay, it should be RAM, yeah, save it. Okay, so we don't have any error, so a dot out, the decimal number, enter 10. So you can see it here that 10 mod 2, the remainder is 0, the quotient is 5. Okay, so it's 0 here, then the remainder is 0. Then 5 is again divided by 2, and the remainder is 1, while the quotient is 0. So this 2 is again divided, where the remainder is 0 and quotient is 1, and this 1 is again divided by 2, where quotient remains 1 and sorry, the remainder is 1 and the quotient is 0, and we print it in a reverse order, so 1 0 1 0. So 10 in decimal is 1010 in binary. Okay, so this is how it is done in C++. There are multiple logics which you can use. Like you can use a similar logic what we applied in our C program. Actually, this is the same logic that I have applied here. Just I don't have any counter variable, so I have used step, which so we will get a better output. So in this way the readability increases, so the user can understand what actual operations are being performed. Okay, so now let's quickly move on to our Java program. Okay, so, so I'll just save this as d2b dot java. Okay, so here I will import the packages. Import java.util.star. Okay, and I will have a class. I have to have the same name as of the file name, so I will have d2b, so which I will have my main public static. So it is void main and string args. Okay, inside this I will have to create a scanner object to scan the input from the user. So it would be like scanner suppose s is equal to new scanner and system dot in system dot out dot println to give out the prompt message. It is enter a decimal number. Okay, and with the help of, okay, so I have to declare a variable int number, and with the help of the object I have to scan it. So next int. Okay, then I need a array, so int binary. Okay, and I'll create a object new int of new int of suppose 50. Then variable, iteration variable. Okay, and oh, should be 0. Yeah, then our while loop. So while number is greater than 0, we enter our loop and we increase our counter. So I have a similar to that of counter variable, and we perform the mod operation. First number mod 2, and we perform number by 2. Okay, and then we print out it. So system dot out dot println would be, so binary number is, and I'll make use of for loop for n, suppose what I will take int a equal to I or I minus 1, because we have initialized it to 0, and a is greater than equal to 0, a minus minus. So this is similar to that of in we use in our C program. So system dot out dot println, we have to print the elements of our array. So binary of e. I've closed all the classes, the for loop and the while loop. Yeah, I'll just save it. Yeah, we'll compile it using Java compiler. So okay, so Java C d2b dot Java. Okay, sorry, there should be binary. Yeah, I hope that would do. System, okay, this should be capital S. Yeah, just let me clear the screen once. Okay, so we don't have error. I will just run the program Java D2P. Yeah, it is asking me for a decimal number, so I'll just enter 15. Okay, so the binary equivalent for 15 is 1 1 1 1. That is 4 ones is equivalent to binary 15. Okay, so just let me try with another number. Suppose 7. Okay, so 3 ones represent the number 7 in decimal. So yeah, that's all. So this is how you can convert a given decimal number into a binary number in all the three languages. The basic or the formula remains the same. That is, when the taken input is greater than 0, we enter the loop where we divide an first we perform a mod operation on a given number, and on the remaining quotient we perform the division operation and mod operation repetitively, and we store it in binary array from where we will print it in a reverse order. Okay, so this in this yeah in C++ we have printed in a reverse order. So actually it is done in all the languages, it is done the same. Okay, so this is the basic idea how to convert a given decimal number into a binary number. So guys, if you have understood and like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button below. If you have any better solution for this program, do post it in the comment section below, and if you have any suggestion, those also you can write in comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as we will be getting many more exciting videos, and we are planning to span our channel in different genres, or also different categories of technology. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.